Well, hello, my name's Eileen and I live in Northern California. I'm 57 years old and I have given this some thought. First of all, I would pay off my debts and probably get some dental work done, which is much needed. That probably cost me about $10,000. And then I had thought about all the things I would do to help others, and then I realized, gosh, so many people are going to have money, they're not going to need my help, which I thought was pretty nice. But I would put some money away for the future and probably do maybe some sort of investing. And then I would probably like to set up a nonprofit, some sort of nonprofit group to just help other people in need. But if everybody in the country is getting money, we might have to just help people overseas. I don't know, maybe our sister country, Mexico, I'm not sure. But I would certainly want to do my part to help others, and yeah, it was brought up that I might give some money back to help the deficit, and I would certainly do that. I think all Americans should do their part. And I think that's it for me.